a stare-off, and we're away. SpongeBob hot off the mark, looking solid as he stares through the field with focused eyes, showing no sign of struggle. Now changing to his trademark glare as he pushes through to the halfway point. A sneaky booger leaks from his nose. He still holds in strong, looking unbeatable at this stage. Hang on, a fly's buzzing around his head as the finish line comes into sight. Oh no, this is extraordinary. It's a draw, a stare-off draw, unbelievable. More of SpongeBob on Nickelodeon, the home of SpongeBob SquarePants.